XP Nation, it is nice to meet you. My name is Merrill, and I am the second ambassador for XP Metal Detectors. I have a YouTube channel called Metal Detecting NYC where I teach about metal detecting, and prior to coming to XP, I rated metal detectors. What I'm trying to say is being an XP ambassador, being on this team is a very informed decision, and I'm very excited to be here. You should also know that I'm a teacher, and you know what? That's going to work out for you. 23 years of teaching has taught me that I need to be efficient with my words and mindful of the end goal. You are here because you want to learn how to use your XP metal detectors most efficiently, and we will highly focus on that. You are here because you're excited about the future. XP is all about metal detecting innovation. Oh, wait, you're updating your detector? Yeah, that's cute. Yeah, XP did that first. If there is anything that has been proven to me this week, it is that XP cares about artistry. Wait for it. There it goes. Different is fine, but as long as it raises the bar. The present is bright, but the future is even brighter. Merrill, you're in France, and here's a table. What do you bring to the table? Metal detecting has brought me a lot of joy, but with that joy, I just keep asking questions, and I want to know. And I've been told that I explain things really well. Metal Detecting NYC was built on these big global questions. Now I'm part of a brilliant team. I take pride in being humble and honest. I'm not scared to say I don't know, but I also know that I don't know is a temporary answer, and I'm relentless in getting information, getting knowledge. And I think it's safe to say I've met some truly brilliant people this week. My plan is to continue to learn and to report back to you. On my way back to New York, I took the window seat for the same reason that all metal detectorists take the window seat. We want to look down at the parks and fields that we dig. Or is it just me? And I dug that one right there. I want to give you a quick tour of some of my favorite finds. I love beach metal detecting. I love fields and parks too, but these are some of the rings. We got some silver. We got some gold in terms of chains and stuff. Now, XP has a tradition of being a teaching channel, and even in my introduction video, I want to leave you with a tip, and this is what really stuck in my head from my time at the XP facility in France. The dais is built for you to do this. I'm going to just put that in my pocket for now. And that takes weight off. And there was a target here. Now, how do you pinpoint? Oh, I'm going to show you. Gary taught me this. You swing fast, and then when it disappears, right at the tip of the coil is where you're going to dig. So watch again. Centered, speed up, and disappears. Right up here is where I'm going to dig. Right up here. That's how you pinpoint without the remote. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. There is a lot of fun coming.